Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete exercises from workbook. Second chapter Bob Dylan, The Voice of a Generation. यहाँ पर आपको एक poem दी है and this poem is about linnet. Linnet is a small brown and grey bird. So let's see exercises. Comprehension. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. First line. What is hidden in her carol? Question A. Who does the poet refer to by her? And answer is her refers to the linnet. Then question number B. What is meant by a carol? A carol is a religious song. Here it refers to the linnet's song. Then third question C. What is the tone of her carol? Answer. The tone of her carol or song is melancholic or sad. Melancholic का meaning होता है sad. Then second line from poem I am singing. Question A. Who is referred to as I here? I refers to the poet. Then question B. What does he compare himself to? Answer. He compares himself to a linnet. Question C. Which word points out the comparison? The word like points out the comparison. Then B. Answer these questions in brief. So first question is what is linnet? A linnet is a small brown and grey bird with a reddish breast and forehead of the finch family. Then second, what does the poet search for in her song? Answer. The poet searches for the theme of the linnet's song. Then third question, when does the poet sing like the linnet? Answer. The poet sings like the linnet when he is swept away by a feeling of longing. Fourth, what is the poet's song about? Answer. The poet's song is about different emotions like happiness, sorrow, love and agony. Then C. Think and answer these questions. First question. Why do you think the poet wonders whether the linnet sings or cries? Answer. The linnet has a high-pitched tone. Thus, her song seems to be like crying. Then second. Why rhyming pattern do you think is being followed in this poem? Answer. The rhyming pattern followed in this poem is AB, CB, DEFD. Then third question, when do you think a poet writes poems? Answer, a poet writes poem under the influence of deep emotion. Then fourth question, are the poet's songs a true reflection of life? Give reason for your answer. Life is full of happiness and sorrow. The poet's songs speak about these various emotions experienced in life. The songs are of love, pain, joy and sadness. Thus, they are a true reflection of life. Then vocabulary. यहाँ पर क्या दिया vocabulary में? Rhyme scheme. Rhyme schemes refers to the pattern followed by rhyming words. अभी ये आप लोगों को पता है, जैसे देखो यहाँ पर नीचे दिया है rhyming pattern. There was an old man with a beard. Who said it is said as I feared? Correct. तो beard feared क्या हुआ? Rhyming word. इसलिए वहाँ पर a दिया है. Then hen brain ये अलग वर्ड्स है, ये भी राइमिंग वर्ड है इसलिए वहाँ पर बी दिया है. देन अगर फिर से बियर्ड आया है इसलिए वहाँ पर ए. इसे कहते हैं राइमिंग पैटर्न. जैसे ए बी ए, ऐसा राइमिंग पैटर्न आया है इसमें. ओके. देन एक्सरसाइज ए. कंप्लीट दिस लिमेरिक्स यूजिंग राइमिंग वर्ड्स. लिमेरिक्स का मतलब होता है छोटी छोटी पोएम जो 4-5 लाइन की रहती है और जिसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहता. वो कैसी रहती है? फनी पोएम रहती है, जिसे हम लोग लिमेरिक्स कहते हैं. सो कंप्लीट दिस लिमेरिक्स यूजिंग राइमिंग वर्ड्स, देन राइट द राइम स्कीम फॉर ईच पोएम. सो फर्स्ट, देयर वॉज एन ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द ईस्ट who gave all his children a feast. Good food मतलब feast. But they all ate so much. A term meaning more, इसलिए हमने वहाँ पर much लिया है. And their conduct was such that it killed that old man of the east. Opposite of west क्या होगा? East. अब rhyming scheme क्या है यहाँ पर? यहाँ पर देखो ईस्ट फीस्ट ए ए, करेक्ट। देन यहाँ पर मच सच, तो ये क्या होगा बी बी। देन अगेन ईस्ट, इसलिए क्या हुआ है ए बी बी ए। देन सेकंड, देर वॉज एन ओल्ड लेडी हुज फॉलिंग induce her to sit in a holy, whereupon by a thorn her dress being torn, she quickly became melancholy, and rhyming scheme is A B B A. The next, musical words and phrases. So there are many words and phrases based on music or instruments that we use in everyday speech. तो यहाँ पर कुछ म्यूजिकल वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस दिए हैं और उनका मीनिंग दिया है। जैसे देखो यहाँ पे दिया है स्ट्राइक द राइट नोट, और इसका मीनिंग है टू स्पीक और एक्ट इन अ वे दैट हैज़ अ पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट ऑन people. Then second is blow your own trumpet, means to boast about one's talents, abilities and achievements. Third है fit as a fiddle, someone who is in perfect health. Then fourth, like a broken record, going on about the same thing over and over again. Then music to my ears, मतलब hearing exactly what one wants to hear. Then last one is face the music, when someone has to accept the negative consequences of one's action. ठीक है, ये म्यूजिकल वर्ड्स है, फ्रेजेस है, उनका मीनिंग यहाँ पर दिया है। एक्सरसाइज बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द फ्रेजेस लिस्टेड अबाउ। ऊपर जो फ्रेजेस दिए हैं वही यहाँ पर हमें फिलअप करना है। मेक अदर नेसेसरी चेंजेस, वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू। फर्स्ट वन इज द फैक्ट्री ओनर वेंट ऑन and the factory owner went on and on about the sad condition of the equipment, like a broken record. Then second, I dreaded going home for the summer vacation to face the music from my parents as I had not done well in the exam. Then third, when they read out the test results in class and I heard that I had scored the highest marks, it was music to my ears. Fourth, our trek leader was a 50-year-old lady. She climbed every rock and hill with agility. She was as fit as a fiddle. Then fifth, mother talks endlessly about his big mansion, his cars and his fancy gadgets. He constantly blows his own trumpet. Then sixth, I don't know how to manage to do it, but Mihir just struck the right note and the debate ended positively, with our team winning the trophy for the school. Then C, match the words in column A with their meaning B. You may use a dictionary. So first, vocalist, इसका मीनिंग है a person who sings. Then second, lyrics, the words of a song. Third, track, one of the songs in an album. Fourth, tune, synonym for song. Fifth, jingle, a short tune for an advertisement. Album, a collection of tracks. Then treble, the high sound in a song. Then bass, the low sounds in a song. Then chorus, part of the song that is repeated. Then instrumentalist, a person who plays an instrument. The next portion is grammar, agreement of subject and verb. A, fill in the blanks with the correct option, one has been done for you. So first one, each of his answers is correct. Then second, where are my favorite pair of shoes? Third, Aman and his brother have gone to the fair. Fourth, a team of engineers is inspecting the flyover. Fifth, most of the birthday cake has already been eaten. Sixth, either Sonal or Raima are going to be the new head girl. Seventh, none of the dishes we want to order is available. Eighth, neither my sister nor my friends know about my secret stash of toys. The next page, use of for and since. So we use for to indicate the period of time for which an action continued. जैसे example दिया है, the concert is continued for 5 hours. And we use since to indicate starting time of an action that has continued till the present moment. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है कि फुटबॉल प्रैक्टिस हैज़ बिन गोइंग ऑन सिंस 9 o'clock in the morning. Then exercise B, fill in the blanks correctly with for or since. One has been done for you. First, this castle has been open to public since 1980. Second, my mother has been teaching me English since I was child. Third, I could not talk to him for he left the party suddenly. Fourth, our aunt has been living in France since the last 10 years. Fifth, he waited at the station for 2 hours before leaving for home. Sixth, the candidate had been campaigning for votes since the last few weeks. Seventh, we have a dance drama tomorrow. So, we have been practicing the steps for the last 3 hours. 8. Imma has been a member of the club since 2006. 9. It has been raining continuously since the last 2 days. 10. Where were you? We have been waiting for you since 10 a.m.